All right, guys, welcome back. So today, guys, we'll be doing some night fishing. All right, we'll be fishing at that same spot, and here's some of the people that are gonna be getting shout outs. And we're gonna be using some lunch meat that are dipped in Kool-Aid, so they're frozen a while. We're gonna let them defrost. And same with the bluegill. And we got some corn for the carp, and then we got some red worms. And then, guys, I don't know if this is gonna work. I never use this. We got the blood dip bait. I don't know. It stinks really bad, but it may work. We're gonna try it out, and hopefully we can catch bluegill, any type of catfish, carp, and yeah, maybe even bass. All right, guys, we're at the spot. Let's see if we can hook on with some fish. We're gonna fish here for about like 45 minutes. Hey guys, shout out to my mom for taking me here. Oh, we're getting bites, guys. We're getting bites. Oh, guys, we got one. Oh, guys, these fish are fat. Oh, nice little guy. Send him out there. Oh, that's a big old bluegill. These are chunkers, guys. Oh, that's a male. What was that? That was a male, guys. Look at this. A big old male. Let's see if we can keep this, but I don't know if I could get the hook out though. Nice, good size, guys. We're gonna get a release on him. Let's go. Hey guys, we got another one. This one's a female, guys. Female bluegill, number 3. One, guys. Sorry, guys. He's a little excited. There he goes. Guys, I think this is my new PB. Guys. Guys, I just caught a monster bluegill, and this is a male. Guys, I think this is my PB right here. Oh, he just peed on me. Bro, guys, this is a keeper. Whoo! This thing looks about 7 inches. That's a keeper, guys. He's going in the bucket. All right, guys. He's caught this bluegill off camera, guys. Just went in my face. Here, guys, we're just gonna get a small release. Wait, no, this one's pregnant. No, we're gonna keep this one, guys. All right, so we're just gonna put it right here in the bucket. Hopefully we could get a catfish. That was the 5th bluegill of the day. All right, guys, here's another bluegill. This one we're not gonna keep. It has a little parasite on it. Or it looks like a wound, but I don't know for sure. That one's bigger than the other one. Pretty good size female going out there. Male bluegill. It's pretty nice. Just gonna toss him out there. Guys, that's a monster bluegill. Sheesh, another number. Oh, that one's even bigger than the other one. Guys, I think this is my actual PB. I'm gonna have to get this dude weighed. Hold up. Yeah, we got a male here, guys. This is on pounds. Here we go, guys. Never mind, guys. That catfish got us snagged. Wait, unless it's a fish. Whoa, guys, it just broke off. That was a big old thing, whatever it was. You guys not see how big this thing is? This thing's almost the size of my face. It's a nice color though. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Well, we got a fish already. Hold up. It's on top of the main line.
These animals sound awful.
I think it's on top of the other line. Yeah, it is. Got on my other line, guys. Let me get this guy unhooked. And it's a male. We're gonna throw him out there. Nice throw.
I think it's here.
Guys, we got another one. Yeah, guys, these are the biggest bluegill I ever seen. None of these bluegill get that big here where I usually fish. This big old monster blue geeky. Let's let him hold up. Sorry, little dude. He's bleeding, so we're gonna get him back.
Lower, lower. You held it too high.
And he goes. They're colorful. Whoa. Guys, we just lost that fish. Yeah, Mom, I lost the bluegill. Oh, pull it on. Oh, he jumped. He's a jumper. Another monster, guys. Whoo! He stole the entire worm boat. Guys, these things are absolute tanks. I think this will be like the new world record growing out of here. Look at these. Things are huge. Let's toss them back, guys. Whew. Those are good size ones. And this still stinks. It's on my hands. Guys, it looks like a bird turd. Just take a look at this. Are we gonna catch a big old fish on it? Yes, we are. We're just gonna gently throw it out there. Oh, my fingers stink. Oh, what the? It didn't even cast. Sorry, guys. It just touched my leg. Sorry, guys. This thing's heavy. Just toss it on out there. Just gonna leave that thing there. There we go, we got one. Got it.
Oh, oh. Hopefully he makes it back into the water.
Hold up. Alright, guys. Well, that was a male bluegill, guys. Toss him back. Oh, yeah. Nice. Blue, beaver, whatever you are. Oh, we're getting bites. Oh, we got a fish.
Another bluegill.
Oh, that's another tank,
pretty.
bro. Guys, this is another big one. Look at this.
It's pretty. It's a pretty color.
This will be the intro of the video with the blue geeky.
The blue Gigi. Gigi.
It's poking at its ends. Stop, stop, stop. Won't take that long. Thank you. Oh! And he goes, guys, like a football. Nice.
3.
Might be sweet too.
Yeah, well, I've never seen a
This bluegill of the day right here. Small little guy. Just tossing up. Alright guys, I think our bluegill just died. This is the one that we just caught. I think this is number 11. Wait, oh, he's still alive. Oh, we're just gonna throw him back out there, never mind. What? I don't know if he's alive though. And kabam. Wait, this is a new species, guys. We got a green sunfish. Wait. The new species of the day. I don't know what this is, guys. Let me guys know in the comments below. I don't know what this is. I think it may be a green sunfish, but it looks different. I don't know. We're gonna get a release. Yeah, guys. I don't know what it was, but that's a new species of the day. That's number 2nd species. I think it's either a green sunfish, but it's not a bluegill. Maybe like a female sunfish or something. I don't know. But I hooked it, a turtle, I think. Yo, guys, I think I might have hooked a turtle. I think that's a snapping turtle, guys. Oh, shoot, guys. I don't want to catch a snapping turtle. All right, so we need to watch out for the teeth. Let's grab our net.
Do you think it's hooked?
Yes, Mom said it's hooked.
Be careful.
Look at this monster beast. Come here, little dude. I knew something was up. Come here. I don't want to snap, and you'll have a hook in your foot. Come here, come here. Come here, little dude. Come here. Come. Where'd he go? He's stuck somewhere. Didn't want to catch a snapping turtle, guys.
Is that his arm? Is he holding on to?
Bro, little dude, get off the stick. With the stick, it makes it heavier. I don't want to. I don't want this stick. How is it?
Is it on his hand? Is it?
Oh,
Oh, it's wrapped around his little.
oh. Guys, this thing is.
Oh, it just ripped.
Well, guys,
Well,
I knew that was gonna happen. Well, we just lost a snapping turtle. Not. Alright, guys, we got another one. How did he get? What the? Oh, there he goes, little guy. Who? Yeah, guys, we keep catching like little bluegill, guys, and can't believe that I had that snapping turtle on, guys. That was crazy. Those bubbles right there, that's a snapping turtle. That thing at least had to weigh 15 pounds because I had 12-pound line and it broke off. So I'm hoping he stays away from me and that we could catch an actual catfish. All right, guys, look how big this green sunfish is on the worm, guys. What?